Hi all, this is Abhishek Verma from Desi Techie. Before start coding Java, we need an IDE where we can compile and execute our code easily. And much before that, we need Java in our machine. So let's see steps to download and install both of them. First, browse for Java JDK and open official link of Oracle. You can download any version of Java, but as of now, the latest one is JDK 12. So I will download it. Click on download. Scroll down and accept terms and conditions. Now download exe file, that is executable version of JDK 12 as per your machine's configuration. Now browse for Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. Again, you can go for any version, but this version is too old. So let's go for the latest one. Scroll down to Java IDE for Java EE developers and select according to your machine's configuration and download this software. It contains all the essential tools for any Java developer, including Java IDE, a Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration too. Once both the downloads are ready, open JDK 12 exe file and start installing it. As you saw, it's easy to install JDK. Now extract Eclipse software and paste in C drive, program files. Open the Eclipse folder and run the application. Oh, it says that unable to find location of JRE or JDK. But don't worry. All you need to do is to set path of Java in environment variables. Go to bin folder located in JDK 12 and copy its path. Right click on this PC, Properties, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and edit the path. Paste the copied path of JDK bin here and click on OK. Now edit path again and copy it, paste the same thing again and click on OK. Now try to open the Eclipse again. This time the error is no longer there. So it means the path is ready. Select the workspace where you want to store your code and click on Launch. Cancel the welcome page and your Eclipse is ready to use. In our upcoming videos, we will start coding here. Till then, stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel and share it with your friends. And don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.